Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Botim to a bank account. So all you need to do, just go to your Botim wallet or app, and you should find the withdraw button to bank in the home screen. If you didn't find it, just click on the wallet icon at the bottom right a little bit. Once you click on that, you should find the withdraw option. So once you click on withdraw, you'll basically have to enter your details. Usually the recipient name, the bank name like Emirates NBD, and also the IBAN. Also the amount. Of course, the name must match the bank account as it is. So once you enter the amount, you'll have to enter your PIN, click on continue. You will have, of course, to review the transfer before entering any PIN. You'll see like from to which bank, the recipient name, the amount, and transfer fees if it's applied. And of course, you'll have to click on confirm transfer. You will have to enter a PIN or whatever you have for the security reasons. And then once you confirm the transfer, you should find the transfer submitted. So usually you will receive the money on the same day or the next business day. So be patient and don't panic if you didn't receive it at the same time when you click on send. So you should normally be good to go. But of course, there is a faster method than that if you want to. In UAE, you can use ANI, which is an instant transfer option, by using only phone number, and it's also faster than IBAN if you want to do that. And of course, if you enter the IBAN, if you're using like the method using the IBAN, like using the Botim bank accounts, if you enter the wrong IBAN, the transfer will fail, and if there's a name mismatch, it may get rejected if you're not verified or something like that. You may get even. Keep that in mind. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.